In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a body weight split squat. I'm going to be showing you the normal variation of this exercise, a regression if it's too difficult, and also I'm going to be showing you side on and front on towards the camera. So firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to bring one foot in front of the body. Doesn't matter which one this is because you'll just be doing both sides anyway. So I'm going to take my right foot, I've brought it forwards, and now you'll notice here my back foot, I've got my heel elevated, so only my forefoot and toes are in contact with the floor. From here, I've got a slight bend in my forward leg, and this back leg is nice and straight. I'm going to bend the back leg, bringing the knee down towards the floor, whilst I brace my core, keep my chest up, and keep my eye line looking forwards. From here, I extend and then come back down. You'll notice as I bring my left leg, my back leg here, down towards the floor, I hover my knee off the floor, I don't ever touch. And by bringing my back leg down, you'll notice my forward leg also bends at the same time. Now let's say, for example, you're doing that, you're wobbling, you're all over the place. What I would then suggest is doing the exact same exercise, holding onto a wall or a fixed resistance object. So for example, I could hold on to this here, I could do the same exercise, and that way I don't have to worry too much about my balance because I've got my hand on something secure. So that would be the regression of the exercise. Now let me show you forwards, so front on towards the camera. What I want you to notice here now in this position, you'll be able to see this better, is my knee. So I want the knee, and I want to make sure it doesn't come too far in during the exercise or too far out where the inner arch of the foot is coming up. So you want to make sure that whole foot is planted. You want to then bring the knee forwards in the direction of your first and second toe. You don't want the knee coming too far in or too far out, and that looks like this.